Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green tea. First, let's prepare the perfect home for your tea plants. Green tea thrives in acidic soil, ideally with a pH between 4.5 and 6.0. Make sure your chosen spot gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If your soil is heavy clay, enrich it with plenty of organic matter like compost to improve drainage and aeration. Now, let's get those tea plants in the ground. If you're using seeds, plant them about 1 inch deep and space them 3 to 6 inches apart. For cuttings, make sure at least 2 nodes are buried in the soil to encourage root development. Once established, individual tea plants should be spaced about 3 feet apart to give them ample room to flourish and grow into healthy bushes. Proper watering and feeding are crucial for healthy green tea. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. During the growing season, feed your plants every 2 to 3 months with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to provide essential nutrients for robust growth. Finally, let's talk about pruning and harvesting your green tea. Regular pruning helps maintain a good shape and stimulates the growth of new, tender leaves. When harvesting, look for the top 2 leaves and a bud, as these are ideal for making tea. It's best to wait at least 3 years after planting before your first significant harvest to ensure the plant is well established and strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.